Is it even possible for a university student to get the same value from an online class as they're getting from attendance in a physical classroom? My name is Amir Afsar. I'm a California licensed attorney, and when I'm not practicing law, I'm an adjunct university professor. This past quarter, we had to teach a class all on Zoom, something I never thought I'd be doing, something I think a lot of my students never thought they'd be doing. And while on Unbillable, we normally talk about ways you can develop your business, legal information, life advice, on this episode, we're gonna take a look at the adjunct professor role I play and the experience of classes online. The real issue, what I've been struggling this whole quarter with trying to provide value to my students even through the Zoom box. Do you think there's any way I could make it the same value as actually coming to class for the students?
Make it the same value? No, dude, like it's not the same as you being present as to you being in a little screen. Like you said earlier, they don't know if you're like 6 foot tall or like 5 foot.
Watch it.
Even.
No, I know. I mean, this is something that I've honestly, it's been a hard thing for me to figure out because I find that there's less classroom discussion. I find that there's less interaction. There's less people asking me for office hours. And there's just, classes ending early. I realize that I also lose out on access to the students.
Yeah.
So it's really a two-way street. So if I'm feeling like I'm losing out on access to them, I can only think that their desire or their feeling of losing out on access to me and their other professors has got to be even more so. This quarter was unpredictable. None of us planned to stay home, to wear masks, to attend class by Zoom, to see businesses close, to see people lose their jobs, to see protests in the streets, to skip graduation ceremonies, or not hold funerals. But again, life can be unpredictable. You see, you can't control diseases, responses to diseases, government universities, the economy, or racism. But you can always control yourself. You control how much time you put in. You control how much work you put in. There are a lot of things you can't control, but you control the most important thing, you. So for the final time as your Professor Afsar this quarter, think about the best version of yourself that you can be. Think about it. Now go out there and be better than that.